Hello. It is May 8th, 2025. Just getting things ready before we go on our trip to Indianapolis. Emerson is graduating on the tomorrow. Well, there's several ceremonies. The first one is tomorrow. Next one is Saturday. So, leaving Virginia and headed over to Indianapolis. So, just packed up the car, making sure all the fishes are okay before we depart. So, packing up the car, and then we will be out of here. This is
You're going to see our. No, you're just on the counter over there. Has more cream in it. You're going to see our one and only child graduating from college. Woo! I am so excited. Intrepid driver.
So we arrived and we unpacked already. We're waiting for Emerson to get here so we can go out to dinner. And here he is. I see him arriving. Anyway, long drive. We left about 9:15 and just got here. Hey, what's up?
Yo.
You look tired.
I'm exhausted. I've been packing literally since I woke up. My room's done.
Yeah?
Yeah, there's like 10 more minutes of work to do, and I'm saving it for tomorrow.
What's up, dude? How you been?
It's good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you, man. How's everything? You ready for graduation?
I'm ready to get out of here. I'm ready to go home. I'm so ready. I was telling Abby this earlier today. I'm really going to miss a lot of the people.
Yeah.
Right? Like, I'm going to miss a lot of the really good friends that I made here.
Mm-hmm.
God, I'm not going to miss the place one bit.
Yeah.
I'm not going to miss it one bit.
Yeah.
I'm not going to miss Butler one bit.
We arrived. Your mom says, "Yeah, this is Indianapolis. This is
Terrible
Indiana.
place. Never
This is
come.
this is what it looks like."
Hey, so you guys actually haven't seen me for a while, so you didn't know this, but I was growing my hair out to get extensions, right? So I've been a puffball for like the past 3-4 months, and now, look at that. I went good again. I went from like a 4 to being a 7 again.
Wow. Wow.
Hey, do I hear you graduate?
Not yet, but yeah. Well,
Oh, how's my boy? You sounded
So we were walking over to Broad Ripple, over in our direction to get some food, and then we'll come back and get some sleep, and then tomorrow we'll prepare for tomorrow's festivities.
You said this is a nice place to come for a drink if you wanted to go to
Yeah.
Julian Canada's, and he said it's not a college crowd. And it's Thursday, so there'll be the pub crawl.
yeah, that was all college kids until about 11, and then they all go down here to Mine Chat. And it'll be all college kids till about 12:30, then they just dessert.
It'll be nice because you know you don't.
Rubber duckies.
Mine to be on JD's or Abby's couch. Depending. She don't know.
Cheers.
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 Yeah, take yours too.
And one for me.
Yeah,
It's gonna be hot.
yeah.
All right, this is awesome. So these are the last days in Indy for Mr. Emerson, who's been here for 5 years.
5 whole years.
5 long years.
5 years. It's felt like 15. But it's okay, I made it. There were questions about whether I would, and I did, and I'm done now, and I never have to come back if I don't want to.
And you never, ever, ever have to go to school again. Ever.
In my life. No, it's funny. I was talking to Sammy about that, and he's like, "You're gonna go for your master's now, right?" I'm like,
Clearly
yeah.
you've lost your mind.
Me.
The thing about life,
I mean, you could,
are
but-
always in school.
We were always in school, but that's
Yeah.
school life, and that's better.
See, I have no qualms with learning. I actually
Yeah.
love learning.
Right.
I learn every day.
Yeah.
It's just I have learned so much more outside of school than I've
Yeah.
ever learned in school. And not being in school is going to free up so much time for me to learn things on my own. The way that I learn.
It's going to be a different type of learning.
It'd be great.
A more
You'll
effective
enjoy that
type of
more.
learning.
You'll enjoy that a lot more. But you also have the degree. Yeah.
I'm glad
I'll have the piece of paper on the wall so when somebody says, "Hey, where did you go to college?" I can be like, and that'll be probably the majority.
I'm glad you reached this milestone in your life and actually completed
And you know,
college.
now that I've completed it, my opinion has not changed.
I know. I don't think your opinion is going to change. Your opinion is going to change when life starts, because now you're going to start adulting.
We'll
And
see.
once you start living life on your own as an independent, free person, that's when that stuff kicks in. Like for me, that didn't kick in till later in life. Like I don't expect you to graduate and be like, oh. No, that stuff comes later, especially when you start having your own kids. Like life changes and your opinion about things change.
Maybe. We'll see.
But oh, look, it's an oud.
Oh, they Hispanic cookie.
See it? They have an oud right there.
Baby. I'm
But,
excited
yeah.
for you to get your musical group together. Your jam group.
Yeah, it's probably going to take me a minute because I got to find musicians.
Yeah, that'll take a while, but I'm, you know, it'll be cool.
Preferably black musicians.
Yeah.
Okay, so this place is called Sahara's Gyros, and it is always criminally under. Like, I never see people in here, except for like occasionally on like Saturday I'll come by and there'll be a lot of people. But most of the time there's never anyone in here. And I don't understand why. Because this is the best food in Broad Ripple, period. Like, just all around, like, sushi's great, right? But as far as, like, quality and care that goes into the food, this is the best place. And, like, the decor in here is nice. Like, when I step in here, I feel like I'm not in Indiana anymore. And that's why I love it so much. And the food is just so good. Like, it's made, like, they make food in Europe and, like, the rest of the world. Like, it tastes good. Which, being here, I'm gonna miss you guys. I'm sure a lot of you don't know this, but here, a lot of the food, like when you look around, if you live in a metropolitan area, most of the time you can get pretty much whatever you want. Here, it's mostly fried food. The only good cultural food that exists here is Mexican.
Here in Indianapolis.
In Indianapolis, yeah. There's a couple of pockets where you might find a good place occasionally, but it's hard to find, and most of the food here is like fried and terrible food. So you get used to eating that, because that's all that there really is, especially if you're trying to save some money. But this place has like the same price as a lot of those other places, but they have quality food. And it's just, it's really, really nice. So I've been coming here for 3.5 years now, I think, because I discovered this place like 2 years in. And ever since I discovered this place, I've been coming here at least once a week. Some utensils and little
Good to meet you. See you guys.
Take care. The food was delicious. Thank you so much. Some of the best Middle Eastern food we've had.
Yeah, like I said, I'm probably gonna make a trip back just for this food at some point. So, see you guys.
That was awesome. It's chilly here.
Kind of cool. Look at this.
It's chilly here.
Yeah, those are all over the place here.
Really?
Yeah.
That's cool.
One down there. I think someone was just next door. Yeah, I don't give a fuck about the place. I just care about the people. And I'm gonna miss them. Because the people here have been very good to me. I made some really good friends. And I'm gonna miss all of them. Some of them I made a little too late. I made some of it.
You guys want to get a drink?
No. I want to get
Okay.
The only bad thing about Cayman Islands is that they're ruled by Britain, so their money is the pound. So our American money is like
Hello.
At the time I went, the pound was 1.5 greater than a dollar. What up?
What up?
Got a camera? What you doing? Okay. All right, y'all. What are we gonna do? We got about an hour left.
You stayed here before?
No, I stayed in the porch room. Yeah, when we came to see you for Mother's Day,
Okay.
I stayed in the porch room. Yeah, it's long in the back.
That's where I stopped initially.
And this is where we are staying.
I'm sure there will be signs.
Still. You don't mind checking me?
Yep. Good to see you.
All right, Toby. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, she's here. I always have Zia around my neck. I have her everywhere. She sees everything.
It's dangerous. I love you. Have fun tonight. Get some rest. See you.
So she can't come.
What?
We're talking about Celia.